Sam.
Hello.
We're going to get my bug today. We're taking the F250. It's blue. Blue? It's blue? It's blue. Nice shirt.
Thank you.
It's a good one.
For the channel.
For the channel.
For the channel. Hello.
Hello, we're on our way in the Brick Nose. Running great.
It's running.
It's running.
Going about 60, which is probably too fast for it.
That's okay. I think we're probably safe.
So it's a 3-speed auto, so really just trying not to drink too much gas.
We're not in any big hurry today either, as far as I can tell.
Yeah.
It's mostly just...
And I mean, safety-wise, this thing doesn't have a crumple zone. We'll die in a 30-mile-an-hour exam.
Exactly.
So that makes no difference.
So we'll kind of check in. We might stop and see some emus. I'm hoping they're still out. Maybe they'll have their sweaters on. It's kind of getting cold here in Minnesota a little bit. Sam loves emus. He's a big emu head. All right, goodbye. Absolutely. Absolutely. I figured it's probably good to get some footage of us driving.
Yeah.
Oh, I stopped over there the other day when I was home, and I was on my way home and took some pictures of those vehicles.
Some pictures.
Some pictures. Of course, every town has a bar. Is there a gas station down there? I don't know. Whatever. There we go.
The unveiling.
Smells good. Yeah, so this is Dad's shop.
It is very dark in here.
There she is.
Beetle.
Oh, beautiful.
Well, shall we pull it out? Someone left it in gear. Just now?
No, I broke it like a couple months ago.
Nice. Give us a walkthrough.
All right. Ugh. This is my 71 bug. Super Beetle.
So I was wrong. I thought it was a 72.
Ooh. No, the Baja's a 72.
I was close.
Very close. It's got a Subaru EJ202 in it. At some point imported from Japan. JDM. Runs like a clock. Runs on a standalone ECU. I've got some MK4 just skis on it, and I got some center caps, beauty rings. I've got BBS wheels that are going to be going on it. Got my radiator up front. Kind of hidden. Keep it cool. It's a really nice and cool day today, so in good shape. I missed it. Gotta have it back.
Let's see the interior.
But I've got, so this is a sway bar that's gonna go in the rear.
It looks like a box.
There's already some mold in here. That's too bad.
Heck.
Yeah, no kidding. These seats are from a Honda Civic, and in the back is an AC box that I don't have plugged in yet, and then the intake. And then the dashboard is all new at the moment. Padded dash. The steering wheel is vintage, but I rewrapped it. It's got Bluetooth. You know, it works. Yeah, you know. And I've still got a lot more stuff I want to do. I want to get it lowered. I want the same wheel size on both. I want to autocross it next summer. Is the plan.
That'd be a fun autocross car.
Super fun. Really super fun. Oh, I missed it. All right, so we managed to get the bug.
Got the Beetle.
Got the Beetle. We got the truck.
All right, should we do a moment of truth?
Let's see if she bucks. Oh! No problems.
I'm so close out of gas. Well, I'm close to the gauge saying I'm out.
We'll stop at the gas
I think
station.
it goes farther down.
We'll stop at the gas station on the way out.
Look at that thing go. So the problem that we have now is my truck is a 3-speed automatic and I can wrap out at about 60 miles an hour. That thing has a Subaru and a 5-speed in it, and its minimum speed is about 55 miles an hour. You can see he's already getting away from me there.
Truck made it.
And slid.
And slid. Tell me about that.
I want to see what happened if I floored it. It went sideways.
Oh.
Yeah.
Regular Takumi Fujiwara.
Yeah.
Bug made it, which is cool. Never mind the mess. Now we got to go swap cars, right?
Yeah.
Again, it's getting convoluted.
So we got to go get your Beetle for your other bug from my house.
Yep.
And then I have to go bring that thing back to the property and grab my other car.
Mm-hmm. We have times, fun times.
Something to do.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.